welcome to Growing Guitar to South France. We're still here rocking tutorials for you guys. We have Hannah Bahng. All right, so Hannah Bahng does this song called Sweet Satin Boy with her sweet satin voice. So let's go into the tutorial. As you can see, no need for any capo here on this fretboard. We're going clean. We have 5 chords to handle. Let's learn it together. So we're gonna go into this chord world here. We're gonna start with E minor. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be D. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the A minor 7 next. So that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, open E. Then we have the C, just add on the 3rd fret A string there. So that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then and later on we have this B chord, and I go with 2 bars in front of each other. So we have a bar chord, at least 1 on the 2nd fret. So you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you have 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. You can go with all the fingers like that, but you can also be lazy like I am and just place a bar on the 4th D, G, and B. And if it's hard to avoid the last E string, if it gets muted from that finger or so, then stay with strumming in the mid area and avoid that last E string so you don't have any dead tones there. So what I do, 2 bars on the 2nd and on the 4th, okay? So there you have all the chords. Now let's go into the picking pattern. Could be a little bit challenging first, but you will handle it with practice. When we have 2 patterns, one is for the intro and one is for the verse and chorus. So the verse and chorus, that is what rolls the most, but I thought maybe it's cool to learn the intro as well. And you can actually use that intro melody to handle the verse and chorus as well. If you want to change it up and mix it up and spice it up a little bit, then you can go with that. A little bit harder, but still, I want to show you how to do it. So there is more than just one guitar playing here. Have that in mind. So this is what I believe are the most important notes to pick up with one guitar to get that right, okay? So E minor part first. I can just mention the chord progression here is E minor, D, A minor, and C, almost through the entire song. We have a little bit thrown off in the end of every verse. That is where you break up this chord progression. Otherwise, it's basically E minor, D, A minor, and C. Now, let's start with this intro. And you're going to play this for E minor. Okay, so you're going to play open E string, then 7th A, 9 D, then 8 B, and then short little pause, and then comes this part. That is 7th B, 8th B again, and 7th high E. You can hold that however you want, but I hold kind of a E minor chord. That's a bar chord, so that's my grip for this specific pattern. I can just mention it now. It will not be one of our chord we're going to play and use in that matter when it comes to just strumming later on. But it's a bar on the 7th fret, 5 strings there, and then you need to add 9th on D, 9th G, and 8th on B, okay? That is basically the E minor bar version. Anyway, that is the grip I'm holding to get these notes out of this chord. Now, over to the D part, and I play this. So what I do here is basically 2 bars, one on the 5th fret. And I push down 5 strings there from bottom up. And the second one is on the 7th fret, and I play kind of 4 strings from bottom up like this. You're gonna understand why I'm holding this when I play this pattern for you. So it goes 5th on A, then 7th on B, 7th on D. Sorry, that's the 7th D. Then back to 7th B and 7th G. Sorry, I repeat there. 5th A, 7th B, 7th D, back to 7th B, and 7th G. You could also go with open D string. Instead of having that bar on the 5th fret, you could also go the open D string. That's the same note as 5th A. And in that case, if you play that, then you can just think away this first bar on the 5th fret and just focus on this 7th fret bar, because then it will be okay. So it's up to you. You have the notes, that's the most important thing. Now over to the A minor 7 part. That is basically one big bar on this 5th fret. You push down all strings there, and it sounds like this. Okay, so have that bar on 5th fret, all strings there, and you're gonna play 5th fret E string, then 5th G, 5th B, back to 5th G, and 5th high E. And then you have a transition note, which is the 7th fret E string. Okay, and I go with my mid finger to get that one, because that gives a great setup for the next grip, which is the last C part. You're gonna go and play like this. Okay, so that is to play 8th fret on A string. So you go for the 7th fret on that A minor part, and slide up to the 8th and play that 8th fret E string together with 9G. And I use my mid finger and my ring finger for that, because I want to be prepared with my index finger on the 7th fret B string. You're gonna play that next. And then you play open G string, and then back to 9G string. And a pause. And that's the intro part. Yes, I'll be challenging. It will be much easier with the standard picking patterns I'm going to show you soon for the verse and chorus play. But I thought it would be cool to learn this. I'm going to take you through this one round slowly. Let's go. Yeah, it's almost harder to play slow than fast, but anyway, that is how it's done. Now let's go into the main pattern here of verse and chorus play. And we have this chord progression of E minor, D, A minor, and C. Now we have to think 2 rounds of that to get the full picture of the picking pattern, because it's not just repetitive and repeats itself on 1 chord progression. It repeats itself on 2 chord progression rounds, if that makes sense. You will understand. Now, the first chord progression round of E minor, D, A minor, and C, we're going to look into that first. So the E minor part goes. That's the right position. So you're going to play open E string, then 4th G, 3rd high E, and 3rd B. Next chord will be D. 3 notes there. So it's open D string, 2nd G, and 2nd high E. A short little pause. Then comes the A minor part. That is open A string, open G, open high E, and 1st B. And then we have the C part. Pause and then there, so it's 3rd fret A string, open G, and open high E. That's the first chord progression round, okay? So it goes like this, slowly. Next round now, you're gonna go higher up, okay? So now you have a point on the E minor again. You're gonna play this part. Okay, so it's open E string in the bass, then 9th fret D string. I have that with my ring finger. Then 7th fret high E with my index, and 8th fret B string with my mid finger. So that's the new E minor, so to speak, the second round. Okay, next is the D part, okay? So it goes like this. So it's 5th fret A string, 7th fret D string, and 7th fret high E. Then comes the A minor part, and that is played exactly in the same way as the first round. And again, the last C played exactly in the same way as the first C we learned in the first round. So the second round here, the first 2 chords are the ones that changes their E minor and D, and then the A minor and C is played in the same way. And consider all this as one picking round, and that just repeats itself through the verses and choruses. I'm going to take you through one round of this as well, so it goes like this. Then we can also learn all this with strumming, okay? So with strumming, you will play, of course, the full chords, and now you don't have to think of which round you're playing at. This just goes in repeat: E minor, D, A minor 7, and C. You're gonna play a strumming pattern of 4 downs. So it goes like this. Okay, and notice I'm playing on the 3rd down, a little bit on the higher strings. On all the downs, I play on the bass mid area. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is one strumming round. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So E minor, do D2, A minor 7-2, and C2 like this. And just keep continuing like that, okay? So there you have the strumming version of it. Now, I mentioned we have a break of this chord progression, and that will happen at 2 points in the song, at 47 seconds in and at 2 minutes and 1 second in. And that is the end of pre-chorus, keeping me sane. That's where on the lyric. At 47 seconds in, you're gonna play strumming there with the same pattern we just learned. 4 downs is 1 strumming round. And you're gonna stay with A minor for 4 strumming rounds, then C, 2 strumming rounds, and then you're gonna use that B chord we learned for 2 strumming rounds. So that will be 1 chord progression round, and that's the only round you're gonna play for both of these timestamps: 47 seconds in and 2 minutes and 1 second in. A minor 4. Into the main pattern with strumming or melody notes. You have the intro, the standard main picking pattern in verse and chorus, a little bit easier one. You can choose from that, and you have all the tools to handle Hannah Bahng's sweet Satin Boy. Hope you enjoy this, guys. I work a lot for you guys, so I hope to get something back. Show me some love here, thumb up, comment if you wish, subscribe to this channel, and let's grow together. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.